Today we're heading out to go see another friend of mine. I spent the night in the van, I spent it every day in the van, but not last night, the night before, at a friend's house, and I had my diesel heater and my fridge pulling from my battery, which is just a plain Jane automobile battery. But the good thing is, it worked. It went down very low in voltage overnight, but charged right back up, and I picked up a battery charger yesterday for it, so I can now have shore power. But the good news is, we got some roof racks, because I have no storage here in the van. So I got a set of roof racks that I need to build a rack for. So we're heading up to my buddy Carl's house, who is also a Volkswagen guy, but he's also a welder. So we're gonna see if we can fabricate something up, because the roof racks I have has one of the legs are broken. So cross our fingers. It looks a little smoky. We're in Nanaimo and it is almost 12 o'clock. And the blue skies have been hidden by smoke. So, when we went out to Buddy's house, I forgot to film, but we were going to manufacture something. I made a phone call to Cap It here in Nanaimo. I know it's loud here, but we're going to see if we can maybe purchase 2 of these with a new bar, just to kind of match them up. So, let's take a measurement. Fingers crossed, we can pull something off. Darn, we need one badly. Is that right? So yeah, we're looking for a 2 lease. We got all the parts except for one, so now we're buying one, and we're trying to get we're buying 2 feet and some wing bars. So yeah, let's hope we can pull this off today. Right, Carl?
You want to get more views?
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, right. You want to get?
Okay. So these are the old ones. Looking good. And we got a new pair completely. The boys treated me well down at Cap It. And I put Carl out of a job. We were going to try and rescue the old broken one and go find parts and then fabricate something, but they gave us a good deal, so. Yeah, so it's tomorrow. It's the next day. I stopped filming that day. And today, me and the dude are cleaning up and getting ready to go on a small excursion. I'm waiting for a new product to show up, and then we're going to head out and spend a couple days goofing off. We got to thank my sister, though, because I need to get laundry done in the shower and me, and yeah. So another reason me and the dude were hanging out at my sister's place was I had a confirmation that we were getting something today from UPS. That's right, buddy. It's here. Are you happy? In this box, we're gonna have some power. Hello, Blue Eddie. So the deal was, Blue Eddie got a hold of me and asked me if I would mind testing their product for them. And I'm like, of course I will. And his timing was perfect because, as you know, we had to downsize and jump into the Volkswagen van. So let's just do a little unwrapping of it, and then I'm gonna have to do a full product evaluation here, probably in our next couple videos. Who's scared? Who's scared, you buddy? Is that your buddy Dexter? This is the Blue Eddie 3B or EV3A. Well, that's pretty exciting, eh? We're gonna get another testing going on, and come right at the right time because I wanted to take off for a couple of days. So I'm gonna go charge this up. I'm gonna be picking up some supplies, and we're going camping. But I guess that's what it is. If we're only going out for a day or two, we're not actually van life, and we're going out to test out everything. Because basically I haven't really, well, I've been sleeping in it every night, but I haven't been on the road with it. When we were on the road, we jumped from town to town where I had friends so I could stay at. We're not being nomads really, so we're gonna get back out, try this thing out, and get ready to be back on the road again. It's gonna be another week or so I'll probably end up going to Vancouver. Anyways, we're off to get supplies from the dollar store. Okay. What? Silly dog. We're back at Bavarian, and we're gonna see what this thing looks like. Oh no, there's Chris. Oh, it's just like Christmas. Hey, hey. You say please? He's such a ham. What a productive day, even though I didn't think I was going to have one, but I actually just stopped in. I should have filmed that too. But the guy that did all my vinyl on my both my vans, my Volkswagen van and my school bus, we're just at the shop here, is going to design me some stickers for the side windows of the Volkswagen. So yeah, the ball's rolling. Well, it was it's a late start this morning. We had a nice little fire going last night, as you saw, and my buddy Neil showed up here last night. He had an extra large, or a larger fuel tank than mine, so it looks like I have a little bit more work to do. Somehow we got to put that in there, which, you know, means I got to pull this out probably again. Oh, the joys of van life, eh? It's a cool van, eh? But we'll get nothing started until we get the laundry put away, the bed made, and look at all the free stuff. So Neil took off, and I'm reorganizing my closets. Not liking how little room I have. And here, I'll show you. So, like, these little cabinets up here, I'll get a wide angle for you. How's that? There we go. They're not that big, and they're not that deep, and since we have a rounded roof, they drop off fairly fast. So literally, you fold the towel up as small as you can, and I can barely get my small hand towel in up above it. So I'm going to start redoing these. I used to roll them, but now I'm going to fold them flat and see how many I can stack up. I got 2 rows here. I have the same problem in the back. You know, it's got more depth, but then I got these things to springs for the back door to deal with. But sure looks nice, so especially with these emblems on it, eh? Wah, wah, wah. So since I did laundry, I have very little small ones left to do. I think I have 2 t-shirts in here left over. So I'm gonna try stacking them like this. See if it works. So leave me alone for a bit and let me get this done, and I'll be right back. I don't know if I gained any space, but it looks nicer. Wanna see? Sometimes I feel like such a wiener when I shoot stuff like that. But hey, welcome to van life. Well, let's get in there. Okay, now that we're all cleaned up and ready to go, we're gonna shut down this video and say peace. Oh, hang on, I got one thing to show you. Before we leave, I want to give you guys a heads up for them to actually watch the whole video. This is what we're doing in the next 2 videos. Halo View has beautifully donated me a backup camera that I need to do a review on. So our next one is all going to be about hooking up and using a Halo View and showing how cool this product is. So tune in a couple days and you'll see this. And then in a couple more days, we just got ourselves a Blue Eddy power source. We'll fill you all in on everything on the next video after the Halo View. So please guys, tune in as we check out these 2 fine products that were graciously gifted to Brents VanLife. And yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I love testing stuff out. So we're gonna say goodbye, peace, love, granola, and don't forget about your puppies, because they need some love too. Right, dude? He's having a nap. See you guys.